The Church of the Zion Christian Church has addressed finally what they described as false and misleading information being spread by the leader of Zion Christian Church, Michael Khotso Serepo, who's popularly known on social media by his followers as Chiro E. Barnabas Lechanyani. Now, the main rather claim that he is the son of His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop Dr. B.E. Lechanyani. Serepo has made claims that he is the son of Bishop B.E. Lechanyani on his social media platforms. Now, he allegedly encouraged members of his church to wear religious uniform symbols and artifacts of the ZCC, claiming his church is associated with and is part of the Zion Christian Church. Now, a long statement which has been released on Monday, allegedly by the church, which has been shared online. The church has obtained an interdict from Pretoria High Court prohibiting Serepo and his followers from wearing the official ZCC uniform, using its symbol and artifacts, and also making claims that he is the son of His Grace, the Reverend Bishop Dr. B.E. Lechanyani. In a statement that has been released, the court order reads as follows. False and misleading information is circulated on social media by the leader of Zion Christian Church, Michael Khotso Serepo, and his followers, claiming that he is the son of His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop Dr. B.E. Lechanyani, and that his Zion Christian Church is part of or associated with the Zion Christian Church. On the 10th of June 2024, the ZCC and His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop Dr. B.E. Lechanyani obtained an interdict at the Pretoria High Court under case number restraining Michael Khotso Serepo and members of his church from wearing the religious uniforms, symbols, and artifacts of the ZCC, and or displaying such religious symbols and artifacts in their religious gathering, publicly proclaiming that they are members of the ZCC and or they are associated with the ZCC, publicly claiming that Michael Khotso Serepo is the son of His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop B.E. Lechanyani. The court order of June the 10th, 2024 was served on Michael Khotso Serepo on the 24th of June 2024 to inform him of the outcome of the interdict application launched by the ZCC and His Grace, the Right Reverend Bishop Dr. B.E. Lechanyani, against him, despite his knowledge of the interdicts and the restraining order and the legal consequences for non-compliance with a civil court order. Michael Khotso Serepo continued to circulate false information on his Facebook that he's still calling himself Maritobane Barnabas Lechanyani, and nothing has changed from the records of Home Affairs. He has also encouraged members of his Zion Christian Church to wear the religious uniform, symbols, and other artifacts of the ZCC and to continue displaying them in the religious gathering to bolster their false claims that they are a member of the ZCC and that church is associated with and is part of the ZCC. On the 5th of June 2025, Pretoria High Court directed the sheriff of the court and his deputy to read the court order of June the 10th, 2024 to the congregation of the Zion Christian Church and Michael Khotso Serepo. The court order of June the 10th, 2024 was served on Michael Khotso Serepo on the 24th of June 2024 to inform him of the outcome of the interdict application launched by the ZCC and His Grace. Despite his knowledge of the interdict and restraining order and the legal consequences for non-compliance with the court order, Michael Khotso Serepo continued to circulate full information calling himself the son of Bishop Lechanyani. The Director General of Home Affairs the Director General's letter of intention to cancel Michael Khotso Serepo's identity card with the names Maritobane Barnabas Lechanyani also stated that he submitted a false statement when applying for his second birth registration. that Isaiah Lekhanyane was his biological father, whereas not the Director General informed him that in doing so, he breached the provision of Section 31, 1, Section 1B of the Birth and Death Registration Act 51 of 1992, rendering him a liable fine or life or imprisonment. Rather, Michael Kgotsosarapho did not oppose and or object to the decision of the Director General of Home Affairs to cancel his identity card with the names um, Maditobane Barnabas Lekhanyane. On the 31st of July 2024, the Department of Home Affairs altered its records and changed the names and surnames of Michael Kgotsosarapho from Maditobane Lekhanyane to Michael Kgotsosarapho. The alterations were published on the 28th of March 2025 in the Government Gazette. Um, Number 52388, Government Notices 6050 6051, respectively.